Most fulfilling jobs in the world. Losing love for your job can get scary. You worked your entire school life, studying a course that will lead to your dream career, and you moved mountains to get the right job. However, after a few months, you discovered that you can't find any fulfillment in your job. The money is good, there's a clear career path in front of you, but you are unhappy. This sort of discontentment is what happens when you end up in a job that seems great on paper, but leaves you wanting. The root of this problem lies in the overwhelming emphasis on passion and money. You are told to study something you are passionate about and get a well-paying job in that field. The issue with this point of view is that passion and money do not necessarily lead to fulfillment. There is no doubt that to be successful at work, you need to be passionate about what you do. However, that passion is usually developed after you enjoy some success and satisfaction in a particular discipline. A good example is someone like Steve Jobs. He was very passionate about Buddhism, but technology was never his first love. And yet, after he enjoyed some success in the field of technology, he became passionate about it, and that passion made him a transformative influence in the evolution of modern technology. Also, the money will definitely bring a sense of fulfillment, but only to a point. When you have enough money to meet all your needs, and you have savings stacked for the future, the satisfaction you derive from more cash diminishes. So, if passion and money will not guarantee job fulfillment, what will? A fulfilling job is a job that you believe is meaningful and that brings you happiness. So, what makes a fulfilling job? Here are 7 features that could be key to a rewarding work experience. 1. Engaging. An engaging job is one that actively requires the best of your skills and your complete focus. You are excited every day at work because you know what is expected of you, and you are given the freedom to carry it out to the best of your ability. This sort of job doesn't bore you, it holds your attention, and it excites you. This is the kind of job that won't have you staring at the clock and eagerly waiting for the end of each workday. 2. It contributes value to the lives of others. A crucial factor in job satisfaction lies in helping others. When your efforts solve problems and bring happiness and progress to the lives of others, you will also derive a profound sense of achievement and satisfaction. 3. You are competent at the job. Competence beats passion. No matter how passionate you are about your profession, if you are not good at it, you can't derive any sense of fulfillment. If you are looking for a fulfilling job, then embrace a job you're good at, or a job that you have the potential to be very competent at. When you are competent at what you do, you feel a genuine sense of accomplishment with every task satisfactorily completed. This sense of positivity will result in joy and possibly love for what you do. 4. There is a career path. For many employees, room for career advancement is a crucial factor in job satisfaction. When you know you're working towards advancing through each stage of your career, you will be motivated, and motivation is also crucial to happiness and fulfillment in your job. 5. Your work environment is positive and supportive. Job satisfaction is impossible in a toxic work environment. On the other hand, when your coworkers are supportive, your boss is approachable and humane, it is easier to find happiness in what you do. The quality of your work environment is just as important as the work you do. When you get positive vibes at work, you will always look forward to work. 6. It caters to your financial needs. A job that doesn't pay enough to cater for your basic needs will hardly give you fulfillment. It will be hard to enjoy working while struggling to meet rent, or even worse, your basic needs. A fulfilling job must be one that provides you with the basic living essentials and some comforts. 7. It aligns with the realities of your lifestyle. You may be passionate about your job, and it may also be a well-paying job, but if it doesn't fit into your lifestyle, you will find it hard to attain job satisfaction. A job that brings fulfillment will have predictable hours, fair wages, a manageable commute, a flexible schedule, and a level of job security. So now that we know all this, what are the most fulfilling jobs out there? 1. Clergy. Whatever the religion, clergymen and women provide spiritual guidance and assistance to worshipers in their congregation. They lead religious services, give sermons, and coordinate community outreach. The job of a clergy involves meeting the needs of others, and satisfaction comes from helping others to be better versions of themselves. Clergymen and women in the United States earn an average annual salary of $60,000. 2. Teaching. Teachers, on average, claim to gain tremendous satisfaction from playing a vital role in the development of children. Adding value to the lives of others ticks all the right boxes for a fulfilling job, and no other responsibility like teaching gives you that kind of opportunity. Teachers in the United States can earn up to $70,000, but it is often not money that brings fulfillment for teachers. It's the joy that comes with watching a child under your care make leaps in learning and development. Special education teachers particularly admit to deriving great satisfaction in helping children with disabilities develop the skills they need to achieve a sense of normality in their lives. 3. Counseling. Many of the jobs on this list involve working with others to help them become better versions of themselves. The role of a counselor also possesses this fundamental characteristic. Counselors can be found in schools, in the corporate world, and private practice. A counselor helps people to navigate challenges and to transform their lives for the better. Counselors can earn as much as $78,000. 4. Medicine. The fact that this job is on this list should not be a surprise. Physicians spend years in medical school and residency programs to develop the skills they need to treat their patients. Fulfillment comes from making a real difference in the lives of others. Many doctors affirm that they derive immense satisfaction in their jobs, and many choose this career because they want to help others. The pay is not bad either. Medical practice is among the highest paying professions in the world, and physicians earn an average salary of $205,000. 5. Psychiatry. Another job that involves contributing to the well-being of others. Psychiatrists help their patients to improve their behavioral flaws and to fix any mental health issues. The job requires a doctoral degree, and you can earn up to $77,000 a year. 6. Nursing. Providing specialized care in medical institutions, nurses make a difference in the lives of others every day, and this is what brings fulfillment to their work. If you choose this line of work, it can be gratifying to watch people that you've helped get better and become happier. You will go home every day knowing you have helped a sick individual on the road to recovery, or even saved a life. The average annual wage of nurses is $74,000, and there are many job opportunities in the profession. 7. Physical therapists and chiropractors. Physical therapists help people with injuries to recuperate and regain functionality. This direct care and assistance gives practitioners a sense of satisfaction that they are assisting others in getting better. Therapists work in hospitals, physical therapy facilities, and nursing homes. A physical therapist can earn $88,000 a year. Chiropractors can also be called therapists, but they focus on helping people with back and neck pain. They heal people and make them better, and this brings a lot of satisfaction. The money is also good. Chiropractors can earn $84,000 a year. 8. Firefighting. This job can be found in every similar list to this, and for a good reason. Firefighters save lives and property. They are the first responders in emergencies. They go through extensive training and are certified. Fulfillment comes from putting all that training to work by putting their lives on the line to save others from dangerous situations. Firefighters can earn $52,000 a year. 9. Company executive. Fulfillment and satisfaction in this job come from setting goals and objectives for a company and leading a group of people to achieve or exceed those objectives. Company executives are leaders, and when you are a successful leader, you will definitely feel a great sense of satisfaction in your job. They are also well paid. The average annual salary of company executives is $105,000. 10. Software development. We all rely on the technological tools they create, and no wonder they feel fulfilled at their jobs. Software developers design and build software tools and applications, and the job demands a high level of creativity. If you are creative and you have the right qualifications for the job, you will gain a lot of satisfaction from coming up with innovative technological solutions to industry and social problems. You will learn daily, and your skills will only improve as you tackle new challenges. You will also be well paid. The average annual salary of software developers is $107,000. 11. Civil engineering. The society relies on them. Civil engineers build our roads, dams, skyscrapers, and any major infrastructure that our communities rely upon. Civil engineering is a broad field, so if you're interested, you will need to specialize in a specific area. A civil engineer derives fulfillment from creating structures that help the society to function correctly. And also, the fact that such structures will remain as a testimony to their efforts long after they are gone. You will need a civil engineering degree and a license to get started, and you can earn up to $60,000 a year. 12. Gardening. Gardeners don't earn as much as the other professionals on this list, yet the profession remains one of the most fulfilling jobs out there. A gardener will tell you that happiness at work comes from working outdoors and interacting with nature every day. Demonstrating that nature can be nurtured, shaped, and transformed brings a lot of satisfaction. As a gardener, you will also enjoy the effect that your garden work has on others. It's no secret that spending time in gardens can have a therapeutic effect on people. A gardener can earn up to $20,000 a year. 13. Surgeons. Often, surgeons are only needed when health issues become critical, and this puts them in a position to save lives most of the time. There is no greater satisfaction than giving a person another chance at life. As a surgeon, you will spend years mastering your craft, and you have to choose an area to specialize in. It's one of the highest paying jobs, and the average annual salary of surgeons is $243,000. 14. Dentist. Everyone needs a dentist, and they clearly get a lot of satisfaction from their jobs. As a dentist, you will treat gum and dental health issues, and you will also be responsible for regular checkups for your patients. As kids, many of us didn't enjoy visits to the dentist, but they play a crucial role in the health of their patients, and a sense of fulfillment comes from that. If you choose to become one, you will be among the highest earners out there, earning up to $174,000 a year. 15. Human Resource Manager. A human resource manager works with employers, and as we have seen from the characteristics of fulfilling jobs, adding value to others brings satisfaction. Human resource managers identify, interview, recruit, and integrate new employees in the organizations they work for. As a human resource manager, you are in charge of employee welfare. You will resolve conflicts in the workplace, address employee challenges, and organize employee skill development programs. You will also be responsible for salary and bonus issues. The job pays very well, and you can earn $124,000 a year. So in conclusion, picking the right career path is crucial in finding fulfillment in your respective field. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.